Hello my dear students, today we're gonna talk about the third lesson in Unit 2 in Algebra. How to multiplying and dividing a algebraic term by another. Number 1, multiplying a algebraic term by another. In exercise C here, he gave me 2x multiplied by 3x power 2. We note here something. They are not like algebraic terms. When we multiply, not as adding, they are not like algebraic term. How to multiply two algebraic term? In this case, we just multiply the two coefficients by each other. 2 multiplied by 3, it will be equal 6. And when we multiply algebraic factors by algebraic factors, I mean here x raised to power 1 and the x raised to power 2, just write x and add their power. It will be equal 6x power 3. The same, letter B, he gave me here 2a multiplied by negative 5p power 2. They are not alike terms because we here multiply not adding or subtracting. So when we multiply both of them, we just multiply two coefficients by each other. Multiply 2 by negative 5, it will be equal negative 10. And A, P, not are the same base here because we have here A and P power 2. What we're gonna do in this case, we just write add them. It will be equal negative 10 AB power 2. Okay, let's see more exercise. He gave me here C 2x multiplied by 5y. The same, we must multiply two coefficients by each other. It will be 2 by 5 equal 10. And x by y, it will be xy. Finally, it will be 10xy. Negative 3a multiplied by 4ab. We multiply negative 3 by 4, it will be negative 12. And a by a, the same base. We write a and add their power, so it will be negative 12a power 2 and write b as it will be negative 12a power 2p. How to divide algebraic term by another? Let's see exercise. He gave me here 15x power 5 divided by 3x power 4. Both of them also are unlike terms because here we divide. Okay, not adding or subtracting. So when we divide any two algebraic term, we just divide both coefficients. Divide 15 by 3, it will be equal 5. And when we divide like base, we just write x and subtract their power. It will be equal 5x power 1. The same, 30AP divided by negative 6P. We divided 30 by negative 6, it will be equal negative 5. And write A as it. P divided B, it will be equal P power 0. So we can cancel it. It will be finally equal negative 5A only. And B here, when we have any letter raised to power 0, it means equal 1. So we can cancel it. In this case, it will be finally equal negative 5a. Letter C, 20xy divided by 4x. We divided 20 by 4, it will be equal 5. And x divided by x, it will be equal x power 0. And just write y, it will be equal 5y. 18 AP power 5 divided by negative 6 AP. Divided 18 by negative 6, it will be equal negative 3. A divided by A, it will be equal A power 0. We can cancel it. P power 5 divided P power 1, it will be equal P power 4. Finally, it will be equal negative 3P power 4. Okay. Exercise number 3 complete. He asked me here, 5x multiplied by missing algebraic term here equals 35x power 4. How to find this missing algebraic term? By using the opposite of the sign multiplying, I means here divide, we can find this missing algebraic term. By dividing 35x power 4 by 5x, it will be equal 7x power 3. Yes. Letter B, missing term here divided by 3y equal 15xy power 3. When we have here a missing before the sign divide, how to find it? By using the opposite of the sign divide, I means here multiplying. We can multiply these two terms to find this missing term. Multiply 3 by 15, it will be 45. And x, we haven't x here, keep as it. Multiply y by y power 3, it will be equal y power 4. Finally, it will be equal 45xy power 4. Okay, second part here, how to multiply algebraic term by another. He gave me here algebraic term by algebraic expression. How to multiply algebraic term here by algebraic expression? In this case, we multiply 2x by everyone here. We start with 2x multiplied by 3x and 2x multiplied by negative 5y. Okay, it will be the first one. 2x multiplied by 3x, yes, it will be equal 6x power 2. 2x by negative 5y, it will be equal negative 10xy. By doing the same, we multiply here a by all this algebraic expression. I means I will multiply a by 2a and a by negative 3a power 2 and multiply as the last a multiplied by 4p. A multiplied by 2a, it will be equal to a power 2. A multiply negative 3a power 2, it will be equal negative 3a power 3. A multiply 4b, it will be 4ap. By doing the same, multiply 2ab by 3a power 2 minus 4b plus a power 2b. By multiplying 2ab by each one, it will be equal 2ab by 3a power 2 equal 6a power 3b. 2ab multiply negative 4b equal negative 8ab power 2. 2ab multiply a power 2b equal 2a power 3b power 2. He gave me here just negative 5 multiplied by 2x power 2 minus 3x power 3y. Multiply negative 5 by everyone here. It will be equal negative 5 by 2x power 2 equal negative 10x power 2. And negative 5 by negative 3, it will be positive 15x power 3y. Here, complete. He gave me here 5x multiply open brackets, missing algebraic term here plus 3y equal 20x power 3 plus missing here. How to find this missing algebraic term? We know we multiply 5x by this term to find 20x power 3. Because we haven't here this term, we can use the opposite. I means we divided 20x power 3 divided by 5x to find this missing term. It will be 20 divided by 5. It will be equal 4. X power 3 divided x power 1. It will be x power 2. Finally, it will be equal 4x power 2. And how to find this term? By multiplying 5x by 3y. It will be equal 15, xy. The same he gave me here, 4m multiplying 2m power 4 minus space plus space equal space negative 24m power 4 plus 32mn power 9. Find this term. Yes, we must divide it negative 24m power 4 by 4m. It will be equal 6m power 3. The same, to find this term, we divided 32mn power 9 by 4m. It will be 8n power 9. Finally, to find this missing term, we just multiply 4m by 2n power 4. It will be equal 8mn power 4. Here he asked me to simplify, and he gave me 2x multiply open brackets 3x plus y minus 5x multiply open brackets x plus 2y. To solve this exercise, we must do more steps. As a first step here, we must open the brackets. When I say open the brackets, I mean here we must multiply 2x by every term here, and the same with negative 5x, we multiply by every term here. It will be the first one. 2x by 3x, yes, it will be equal 6x power 2. 2x by y, it will be equal 2xy. The same, negative 5x multiplied by x will be negative 5x power 2. Negative 5x multiplied to y, it will be negative 10xy. And we must simplify, I mean we must take every like terms beside each other. Do you remember that? From the previous lesson we have studied before in adding and subtracting algebraic expression. Adding and subtracting, algebraic terms. How to find the like terms here? Okay, by making the same sign above each like terms. We have here 6x power 2 like with negative 5x power 2. So we must make the same sign above each one. And positive 2xy here like with negative 10xy. So we must do the same sign above each one. And don't forget to take every like terms beside each other. 6x power 2 beside negative 5x power 2 plus 2xy beside negative 10xy. And finally, don't forget to add them. It will be 6 minus 5, it will be equal 1x power 2. Thanks for your listening. Goodbye.